Texas restaurants, they're firing back after a study claims they're high risk of COVID-19 spread. The Texas Restaurant Association is firing back after this study suggests that the restaurants and cafes are a high risk. This report indicates that restaurants, cafes, and gymnasiums as well are these hot spots, as they describe it. The newly published report is based on cell phone data that tracked millions of Americans during the pandemic's first wave, and it looked at how long people stayed at a business and how crowded it was and how often they visited. One conclusion of this report published by Nature suggests that full-service restaurants and gyms are this high-risk areas.
Right.
Kelsey Erickson, Vice President of Government Affairs and Advocacy for the Texas Restaurant Association, spoke with Betty Cross over at CBS Austin.
Those, sensational headlines can be incredibly damaging for the industry as we're trying to rebuild.
Now the Texas Restaurant Association says the data collected in March to May, it did not consider all the safety protocols that they have now put in place.
Enforcing mask ordinances, enforcing social distancing, putting up plexiglass barriers, increasing the ventilation and air circulation in a space. All of these factors were completely discounted by the study when they went to assess which businesses are more risky than others.
Now, the report does say that the phone-based location data shows that reducing occupancy in venues can significantly cut the number of infections. It indicates there is a sweet spot that doesn't require a lockdown to slow the spread of the virus. That story there from CBS Austin.
Boy, I highly dispute this. I really I could not disagree more strongly with this. Every restaurant I've been into, which are many, have been doing a great job from what I've been able to see. They've done an amazing job.
This study was done with data that was collected earlier in the year before we instituted these safety protocols. So in a way, this Nature magazine is publishing out-of-date data, and well, it kind of sends a disparaging message to the Restaurant Association and the restaurant business in general.
Yeah,
I think we all get it, that if we don't wear masks and we all pile on top of each other, that increases our risk. We know that now. We don't need to be talked to like we're a bunch of kids. We get it.
Yeah.
We're keeping our space. We're washing our hands. We're wearing our masks. There's no need to scare people anymore. I mean, we're working on a vaccine that's, 90%, maybe 95% effective on a virus that is 99.8% ineffective.
Right.
Think of it that way.
Exactly. And as far as gyms go, I feel incredibly safe at the gym. I feel like I have total control of my environment. I can get far away from people. I can disinfect the machine I'm on before and after. There are a lot of things I can control there. I can get away from people very, very easily. I do not agree with that assessment about the gyms.
It is 5:54.
The Todd and Don Show.
How about this? Ready for an easy decision for a change? Yeah, the simplest one is you could make this year is to reach out to Kangaroo if you've got roofing issues. Yeah, they specialize in roof repair and roof replacement. Owned by Scott and Stacy Feller. These are true pillars in our community. Yeah, Kangaroo's professionalism, their training, their expertise, they make this process very easy. It's not their first rodeo by any stretch of the means. They've been on more homes than, anybody. Yeah. Now, if one of the reasons you're holding off on getting a new roof or getting a roof repaired is because you're dreading dealing with the insurance paperwork, well, that's another reason why you can count on Kangaroo. They have a specialized staff member we're going to make sense of insurance claims. We're going to make it very easy for you. Warranted materials, guaranteed workmanship, that's the guarantee. Yeah, from start to finish, you're going to be impressed. I mean, no wonder Kangaroo gets more 5-star ratings than any other local roofing company in the area. Look out. Check them online and read those reviews yourself and talk to your neighbors. Another advantage is the price they quote you at the start. That's what you're going to pay at the end. No surprises. No surprises at all. Yeah, check them out online at kangaroofaustin.com. It's Kangaroo. Give them a call, and they're going to hop to it. kangaroofaustin.com.